Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, only 2 days left for the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. My dear friends, if you really like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. Okay. The link is in the description. It's a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. Okay, you'll find all the details on the website. Moreover, I have also prepared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not. If you're facing one of these problems right now with your trading, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop, because after the workshop you will also receive support for 1 whole month, and I'm very much sure that the workshop will bring some positive changes, some good changes to your trading journey. Let's look at the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. As discussed in a previous video, that we have a falling wedge pattern on the chart of DXY, which is a trend reversal pattern. As we all know it very well, that dollar is in massive downtrend for the last couple of weeks and months, and the selling is still going on, but we had a clear wedge pattern, and we can see that dollar is trading above the wedge pattern. Dollar is right now standing at 102.33. It looks like a trend reversal, but my dear friends, we should not forget that FOMC and NFP is coming this week. It is a forexfactory.com, and you can see on Thursday we have FOMC statement, and on Friday we have non-farm employment change. So these two events will bring some crazy volatility to the market. And if you look at the news, then you can see dollar set for fourth monthly drop as Fed meeting looms. My goodness, nobody knows what will happen. Okay, but one thing, okay, I can assure you that don't be too confident with the news, because market is full of surprises. This is one thing that I have learned in my trading journey. Or if a news becomes very common, then also market surprises, in fact, gives a shock to everybody. Okay, so do not be too confident, trade accordingly. Okay, let the news come out and then only place the order. Don't be too overconfident, and most importantly, do not forget to set the stop loss. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So you can see that we have got many levels. Market is below the trend line right now. See, the three important support zones on the chart of Euro USD are still the same. There's not much changes on the support levels. The most important support is around 1.0720 that we have been discussing for last couple of weeks. Then we have 1.0780 to 70 from where the market bounced previously. And before these two support levels, we also have some minor support. Okay, these two are the best support, but before these two support, we also have some minor support around 1.0800. Around this level, okay, it can be 1.0803, it can be 1.0799 also. Around this level we have some support as well. Keep in mind, volatility of the market will play a big role. If the volatility of the market remains like this, and if you see a drop in the market, then you can expect the market to take support around 1.0800. If market bounces, and at the same time if you see some kind of reversal on the chart of DXY, you can consider taking a sell position. Apart from the three support levels, you can also see that I have also drawn a black line here, and the black line, okay, the black line is also a support for the market. And you can see that right now it looks like that market has formed a pattern and there can be a drop in the coming days. But my dear friends, we have also 100 moving average here. So as a result, I will not consider taking a sell position below this level. Because on the video of gold also, I mentioned one thing clearly. Let's see, for a breakout or breakdown, we need volume. And for the last 12 hours, we do not see much volume in the market. Okay, so as a result, we must be careful. Without volume, Okay, without volume or without much volatility, if market goes for a breakout or breakdown, it leads to a false breakout. To save yourself from false breakout, always focus on the volatility and volume of the market. So if the volume or the volatility of the market remains like this, and if you see a slip market going below the black line here, below 1.035, it becomes very risky. Okay, so beginners, new traders, you don't need to take a sell position, and overall the trend of the market is also towards the upside. We should not forget that. So if you see moves below this level also, no need to take a sell position. If you are a defensive trader, if you're a risky trader, then that's your personal choice. I won't comment on that. But otherwise, you should wait for market to come down to support. If market takes support and bounces, you should go for a buy. But yes, wait for the confirmation first. If you see market bouncing, then only go for buy position. Do not forget that no level is permanent in the market. As a result, you should wait for some time and see whether market is taking support or not. If market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, that is a confirmation that yes, market is taking support and you can go for buy. On the other hand, we do not have not too many proper resistance. Okay, proper resistance on the chart of Euro USD. Previously, market was trading inside the channel, so it was kind of clear to us that yes, the trend line at the top will be acting as dynamic resistance. But right now, the market is trading far away from the trend line at the top. So as a result, we will not be considering the trend line. Okay, at least it is not important for the day. So the R2 or second resistance will be this high. Okay, this high of 1.0920 to 1.0935. Let me write it down. 1.0920 to 1.0935. This is the second resistance, and the first resistance is around 1.0900 to 1.0910. This is our second resistance. So these two are resistances. These two were not the very strong resistances in the market, but we are just considering the previous highs here. Okay, so in case market shows upside also, we can expect the market to reverse from previous high. There's a high chance that market may not reach the previous high, and before that only we may see a reversal. And the reason is market was in uptrend, but here you can see the market has failed to break the previous high. So as a result, this time if market goes up, then there's a high chance that before reaching 1.0900 only, market may reverse. If it reverses, then also you can consider taking a sell position. But keep in mind, whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, because FOMC is coming up, NFP is coming up, market will show extreme volatility. Protect your hard-earned money, protect your capital. That's it. Bye-bye, take care. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So do your own calculation. Bye-bye. Before we proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who has sponsored today's video. Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only, because along with buy and sell signals, you can use the tools for additional confirmation in your analysis. They have a trading community on Discord as well, where they post regular trading ideas. My dear friends, I have been using Chart Prime. I have backtested Chart Prime for a couple of months, and their service, their signals are really unmatched. This is the chart of Euro USD. You can see the chart of Euro USD for the last 4 days. The signals generated by Chart Prime are quite excellent. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Possible reversal down, it means that we should go for a sell position. Possible reversal up, it means that we should go for a buy position. You can also backtest Chart Prime in your trading platform. You'll see that their service, the signals are really great, because they also use support resistance. They also have a oscillator where they use divergence and many other stuff. Okay, you can usually see that it becomes very easy for you to make 15 to 20 pips on regular basis if you trade on lower time frame like 15 minutes, and on higher time frames Signals generated by chart prime will fetch you around 50 to 60 pips. But yes, if you are a serious trader, you can definitely give a try to chart prime. We know it very well that no trading service, no indicator is 100% accurate. So my dear friends, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. But yes, with proper risk management and a tool like ChartPrime, you can definitely go a very long way. I will add the link in description to avail 30% discount right now. Please use the link in the description. You may also scan the code in the screen right now for faster registration. Make sure to check them out.